I've been exploring the Bank of America Travel Rewards Visa Secured Credit Card for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of it. First, let's talk about what it offers. The Bank of America Travel Rewards Secured Card is aimed at people building or rebuilding credit who still want travel perks, and the core pitch is simple: no annual fee, no foreign transaction fees, and a flat 1.5 points per dollar on every purchase, with points that do not expire as long as your account stays open. You put down a refundable security deposit starting at $200, up to $5,000, and your credit limit is based on that deposit plus your income and ability to pay. For anyone already in the Bank of America ecosystem, Preferred Rewards can boost your earnings to roughly 1.87 to 2.62 points per dollar, which is a major upgrade for a secured product. On top of that, you get standard modern features like a mobile app, digital wallets such as Apple Pay and Google Pay, account alerts, and fraud monitoring with a zero liability guarantee for unauthorized purchases. With that said, it's not perfect. The regular APR is high at 27.49% variable, and there is no introductory APR at all, so this is absolutely not a card you want to carry a balance on in 2026. There is also no sign-up bonus, which many unsecured travel cards now treat as table stakes, and balance transfers cost 5%, making it a poor choice for refinancing existing debt. Because it is a secured card, your money is tied up in that deposit until Bank of America decides you qualify to get it back, and not everyone will graduate quickly. Overall, if you are laser-focused on building credit and you travel or spend in foreign currencies, this is a strong, no-fee starter card that lets you earn simple travel rewards while you move toward an unsecured product. But the high APR and lack of bonuses mean it works best for disciplined pay-in-full users who already bank with Bank of America and can squeeze extra value from Preferred Rewards. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.